Hello, my name is Shabsina and welcome to my channel. So in the previous video we have learned about the factors of an algorithm. So in this video we will learn about the approaches of algorithm, that how we can approach to an algorithm. So the following are the approaches used after considering both the theoretical and practical importance of designing an algorithm. If in case you didn't see the video, please go check that the importance of algorithm and how important the practical and theoretical concept are. So after you watch that video, then come to this video and see the remaining part. So what are the approach of algorithm? First is the brute force algorithm. The general logic structure is applied to design an algorithm. It is also known as an exhaustive search algorithm that searches all the possibilities to provide the required solution. Such algorithms are of two types. First is optimizing. So let me give a brief introduction about optimizing part so that you guys can know about it. So what is optimizing? Finding all the solutions of a problem and then take out the best solution, or if the value of the best solution is known, then it will terminate if the best solution is known. So second is the sacrificing. So as soon as the best solution is found, then it will stop. So these are the two parts of the brute force algorithm. Then the divide and conquer. So it is a very implementation of an algorithm. It allows us to design an algorithm in a step-by-step variation. It breaks down the algorithm to solve the problem in different methods. It allows us to break down the problem into different methods, and valid outputs is produced for the valid input. This valid output is passed to some other function. Then the greedy algorithm. It is an algorithm paradigm that makes an optimal choice on each iteration with the hope of getting the best solution. It is easy to implement and has a faster execution time, but there are very rare cases in which it provides the optimal solution. Then the dynamic programming. It makes the algorithm more efficient by storing the intermediate results. It follows 5 different steps to find the optimal solution for the problem. First is, it breaks down the problem into a sub-problem to find the optimal solution. Then, after breaking down the problem, it finds the optimal solution out of these sub-problems. Then it stores the result of the sub-problems is known as a memorization. Then reuse of the result so that it cannot be recomputed for the same sub-problems. And we can finally say that it computes the result of the complex program. Then the branch and bound algorithm. The branch and bound algorithm can be applied to only integer programming problems. This approach divides all the sets of feasible solutions into smaller subsets. These subsets are further evaluated to find the best solution. Then the most important part is randomized algorithm. It is a very long theoretical part, so please kindly listen carefully. As we have seen, in a regular algorithm, we have predefined input and required output. Those algorithms that have some defined set of inputs and required output and follow some described steps are known as deterministic algorithms. What happens that when the random variable is introduced in the randomized algorithm? In a randomized algorithm, some random bits are introduced by the algorithm and added in the input to produce the output, which is random in nature. Randomized algorithms are simpler and efficient than the deterministic algorithm. Then the backtracking. Then backtracking is an algorithmic technique that solves the problems recursively and removes the solution if it does not satisfy the constraints of a problem. So what are the major categories of the algorithm? So the major categories of algorithms are given below. First is sorting. Algorithm developed for sorting the items in a certain order. Then the search. Algorithm developed for searching the items inside a data structure. Then the delete operation. The algorithm developed for deleting the existing elements from the data structure. Then the insert. Algorithm developed for inserting an item inside a data structure. Then the update. Algorithm developed for updating the existing element inside the data structure. So thank you. That's all from my side. So in the next video, we will learn about the analysis of algorithm. Till then, bye bye.